guys, Nancy Ann here. I wanted to do a video telling you what I kept from my Wantable Active Edit sale unboxing. I'll post a link to that down below. It went out 2 days ago. But anyway, we are in my home gym because I've talked about it so much. I thought it was appropriate to do it down here. Real quick, you'll see I've got my exercise balls and mats and things back there. That's also my bands, and those will hook into that door with the door anchor so I can do pull down activities. There's my step, my hyper extension, squat box, adjustable bench squat rack, and here are my weight plates, and then behind the camera kind of is set of dumbbells through 35, a rack that's got doodads, pace weights, smaller weights, my gloves, things like that. And then I have another bench that is not adjustable and has kettlebells. So it's really a pretty complete home gym. So when I say I'm working out at home, I'm not kidding. I'm really working out at home. I love lifting weights. I've been doing it since I was 19. Okay, that's enough of that. Oh, there's also a whiteboard on the wall back here where I write my workouts and things. So anyway, enough on that. What did I keep from my my sale edit? That was a really cool one because I got some things on sale. On the outside, I did get this in a Wantable unboxing, this coat. I just wear it around in the mornings like I talked about in the video. I like something over top of me to keep me warm. I got this one on sale for $29. It was regular $58. They sent me a sale item in Wantable and a previous edit that they sent. And then I kept this blue tank. This was normally, here we go. Don't have my glasses on again. It was normally $38. The brand is MPG Sport, and this was called the Activate Tank in Dusty Sky Size Medium. So I like this. I didn't really need another tank, but it's nice to have a refresh every once in a while. You know how that is. The other thing I did, I liked the MPG Sport excerpt bra. It was the oil paint. It was a real pretty light one, but it was just too tight. I went on there and small miracle occurred. I actually could exchange it. That normally doesn't happen for me. I try to exchange something and it's not available in my size. So this was, and it's even a sale item. It was normally $34 and on sale for $17. So I went online, I told them that I was going to return it, and they've already got it shipping to me. I can't believe that. So everything's going back in the bag and being shipped out to them via USPS. This little top is kind of cool. It's apparently very good quality, and it's got stays fresh technology. I guess it's supposed to make me not stink so bad. So I think that's neat. I wanted to talk some numbers with you because I forgot to run over the totals in the box and what the discount was. So with the sale items and everything, the total box total was $225.49. The Keep 5 discount was $47.10. That would have brought the subtotal to $188.29. Then they would have credited back what I spent in the styling fee plus tax. Wantable does tax on that styling fee of $21.40. Added in sales tax, and the total for all 7 items would have been $180.18. Now, as we know, a couple items, well, one in particular didn't work, and that was the joggers. They were a pair of $89 joggers on sale for $44.50. They were too tight. I wasn't going to get those. And everything else I kind of liked or could have used, except the bra that was too tight that I'm exchanging. So anyway, if I would have kept the 5, I probably would have kept, which would have been the 2 I'm keeping, plus the purple hoodie. The gray sports bra was a good sports bra. I just didn't need one, and at $39, I wasn't going to purchase it. And then I really did like that the graphic sweatshirt, the Progress Over Perfection, that was $58. I felt like that was too expensive. But if I would have kept those 5 items, that would have been a subtotal of $152. The 20% off would have been $30.20. Then they would have credited me back the $21.40 I spent in styling fee and tax. And I had a code, text 10, which I mentioned there, that got me another $10 off of my next edit. That would have brought my whole total down to $90.40 plus the tax. That's really not bad on 5 items, especially considering one of them was a $58 sweatshirt. So those are just some of the numbers. I did think about that, and then I thought, and I'll tell you why I didn't do it. Okay, so this one was $19. The bra I have coming, the one I exchanged, was $17. That's $36 total. On items that original price together were $72. Okay, so then took off the $21.40, that was the tax plus the styling fee, and then took off the $10 and the tax 10. My cost to check out was less than $7. It was $6 and change. So when you add in the styling fee that I paid, the whole cost was about 28 bucks for 2 items that were $72 originally and $36 on sale. So that another $6.42 was too big to resist rather than another $90.40. So there's that. Okay, if you've hung in here long enough for this long, I want to say I'm going to also link down below. When I was in Minnesota this past weekend visiting my daughter's family, she has got a channel, has nothing to do with fashion. She does Sims. Does anybody know what the game Sims are? And she has a real interesting twist on it. She does a rescue shelter, and she actually finds dogs in real rescues, makes a sim image of them, puts them in on the game, and tries to help to get them adopted. Isn't that cool? So anyway, she did something with me. She took Sims families, and it was mom named that Sim. And so I made up backstories on these Sim characters based purely on what they looked like. I was really bad at it, but the video is actually pretty funny. I think it's pretty cute. And I know it would really help her a lot if she could get more views. She's been doing this for over a year, and this channel, my channel, is picking up traction so much faster than hers did, bless her heart. But I keep telling her, Erin, I'm dealing with women and clothing, and a few men. Thank you for the guy or two who comments. But I have such a bigger demographic, whereas she's very, very niche. But this has nothing to do with the game, really. It's just entertaining. So I will put a link to that game, or the two of us doing my reactions on the characters in the game down below. I think you might get a kick out of that. And you get to see my oldest daughter. And the other thing, we're at 351 subscribers last I checked. Guys, we're growing. I just did a giveaway for 250. Thank you so much. This is awesome. So I just want to share, I'm interested in getting to 500. That is my next goal. And the reason is because when I get to 500, I can finally post community tabs. You know, the little things that are just like a status update. So I can ask you guys questions like, well, would you like to see this? Or what do you think about this? And I can give you things like I'm doing a giveaway and have it be in the community tab instead of having to make an entire video about it. So what I'm going to do when I get to 500, I'm just going to give it away now, is I'm going to do a $50 gift card to either Wantable, probably Wantable if you're stateside. I reserve the right to change my mind on that if I want to, based on several factors that I won't go into. And Stitch Fix if you are over in the UK, because I know that's the only one that they get over there. So it'll be a $50 gift card to one person. And I think I'm going to choose from the people that comment the most on my posts between now and then. So if you want to be in the running to win a $50 gift card to a styling service, please just make sure you keep commenting. That's all. You just have to comment. And the reason I'm doing this, full disclosure, the comments really help me and the views really help me. And it puts it in front of more people and it makes the channel grow faster, which helps you get to the point where I choose a winner faster. So it benefits both of us. So there we go. That's what I'm going to do. I'll be doing reminders about this in upcoming videos, but to the people who stuck around long enough to listen to all of this and get to the point where I'm talking about this, I want you guys to kind of have the heads up and the jump start on this. So you know about it. Go ahead and comment down below, and just keep that in mind. There will be a $50 giveaway. I think we're going to reach that in maybe a month or two at the rate this is growing. Maybe I'm wrong. I hope I'm not being overly confident, but I think we might, because we're up 100 in just 2 or 3 weeks. So anyway, that's that. Okay, I've got to get to my workout. It's leg day. I hate leg day. So I'm gonna get going on that. I'm getting a late start today, but I did want to take a minute, record this video, show you what I got, talk about the discounts. Be sure and check my video with my daughter down below. And if you could comment on that, that would make her really happy, and say, I saw your mom's video. You know, I got this from your mom. She would think that was really cool. If you like what she's doing, you could subscribe to her. She'd love that. And then the giveaway. When we hit 500, $50. Okay, I've repeated everything enough. I've said enough. I need to work out. I will talk to everybody later. Thanks a bunch, guys. Bye-bye, and be blessed.